Here's how to make super silky Cantonese style scrambled eggs. Perfect on its own, or serve it over rice for dinner. Firstly, prepare the prawns, and about 5 to 6 large prawns are enough for one person. Add in some salt, sugar and cornflour. Using some olive oil, cook the prawns until they turn pink. Set them aside and next prepare the eggs. Then crack 4 eggs into a mixing bowl. Into the eggs, add in some salt, a pinch of MSG, Shaoxing cooking wine, and cornflour mixed with water. To cook the eggs, heat up as much butter in a pan as your heart will allow. Actually, I'm being glib, but I read that using butter is healthier for you than using vegetable oil. Also, the butter will give a silky smooth finish to the eggs. The technique that you want to use is to push the edges towards the center, then to distribute the wet parts around the pan. Add the prawns into the egg to heat them through. Serve over some freshly cooked rice and use some chopped chives for garnish.